Hello Flutes, this is Mr. Kruger. Hope you're having a good summer. I'm creating a video here to help you learn your region music. You hear the metronome in the background, ignore that for now, but I want to point out a couple things. Okay, so right here, see that little note with a slash through it? I'm going to call that a grace note. For now, I'm going to ignore the grace notes. Okay, if you have experience with grace notes, go ahead and add them in. Otherwise, wait till a private teacher or Miss Brockway or I teaches you how to play them, but you can leave them out for now when you first begin to learn this. Okay, so I'm going to count this for you. You'll notice over here the time signature says 6/8 time, right? Okay, well, that means we're going to have 6 beats within the measure, right? And when we see the 8 down there, the 8th is going to tell us that an 8th note gets the beat, right? Okay, and since this, you see that tempo marking, that's the final tempo. Right now, my metronome's going at 90. Okay, so I'm going to count at 8th note equals 90. The final tempo is 8th note equals 120. Okay, I'm going to count slow because you should learn it slow first, especially like over here where things go a little bit faster and there's all these tricky articulations, okay? We want to get all the articulations right. We want a tongue in the right place, slur in the right place, so we're going to go slow. Of course, you won't hear articulations much in my counting because I don't slur in my counting, okay? But I'm going to count to 6 in each measure, right? Back to that 6/8 time. And since the 8th note gets a beat, like the first measure would count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, right? Just like you would count quarter notes for 4 time, right? We're going to count 8th notes how we would normally count quarter notes. Well, then we're going to count 16th notes using ands. Okay, so this starts on 3 because this gets 1, 2, quarter note. So this is going to be 1, 3, and 4, 6. You see how that works? So all the 8th notes are going to be counted like, or the 16th notes will be counted how we usually count 8th notes. Like look over here at measure 4. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Okay, quarter note's going to get 2 beats, right? Because it's 2 8th notes long and we're giving the 8th note the beat. All right, dotted quarters, normally we'd give them 1.5 beats in 4/4 time, right? But we know they're 3 8th notes long, so we're going to give it 3 beats. We're going to give the dotted quarter 3 beats, okay? All right, I think that's everything we need to know to be able to count this. So I'm going to go ahead and count it. I want you to follow along and maybe also finger. You could finger and follow along. Here I go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 3, and 4, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. 1, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 1, 4. 1, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 3, and 4 and 5 and 6 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5, 6. 1, 4. And that's it. Hopefully that helps you as you begin to learn your music.